Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It is Friday, July 3rd, day 4th of July, and I'm headed to the mall because a little birdie told me that they got a pair of shoes that I've been having on it's been in my eBay cart, my Google cart. It's been sitting there for a long time. Of course, it's a vintage sneaker, and I just been waiting for them to retro it, and I didn't want to pay that resale for it. But I think they got it here at my local JD, and if so, I want to review it for you guys. Take a look at it, and I'm hoping they done it right, man. But before we get off to this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, let's go ahead and see what we got in this mall. Let's go. All right, so we up in Foot Locker, and as you guys can see, man, things are starting to look normal when it comes to basketball sneakers. Look at this, bro. Everything you can think of when it comes to all the Jaws and stuff like that. And then Kobe's. We got these, those, and those, man. GT Futures. Everything, bro. Everything is sitting up in stores, man. Get out of your houses, bro. These right here are like available. They still got them on display on the mannequin stuff, but man, these are like, these gonna be clearance, bruh. Sheesh. All right, y'all, shout out to people at JD Sports. This is what I came in here for right here. As you guys can see, you got a vintage Nike box. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see the size tag. This is the size 8 Air Zoom Flight, the glove, black, white, University Red. Now this one right here, bruh, this is a sneaker that I've been waiting on. And if you grew up in an era, boy, let me tell you, hold on. Let me see. Let me take a look at it. This my boy. Oh man. These things is fire, bro. These things is fire. And I know a lot of y'all newbies and stuff like that is gonna look at this sneaker and be like, oh, it's the shades. What's the difference? Nah, bro. These are before the shades. This is something that we used to back in the day, man. If you had these, you felt like you can clamp anybody up. Gary Payton. You could play defense. You could support everything, the technology in these things, boy. Let me tell you, bro. But let's go ahead and take a look at this shoe. So as you guys can see, you have a predominantly black upper. You got the white Nike swoosh right there. You got the white outsole with the hints of the red. You got the Flight right there, Zoom Air on the side with the white Nike swoosh. On the back end, it does say Flight, you know what I'm saying, Nike swoosh. And they're going to enter. And now, this one does, these things do unzip. Hold on, let me show you guys. You got the Velcro here. And then you just unzip them right here, and man, it turns into a versatile, totally different sneaker, bro. Hold on. All right, so as you guys can see right here, you got the wave right there. That's what we talking about, man. Look at that, bro. Ooh, you got the glove. Come on, man. The logo, you know what I'm saying? White laces, white Nike swoosh. You know, man, dude, come on, man. These things are vintage. These things are the ones, and I need me a pair, bro. The gloves, bro. Like, man, I've been wearing this sneaker. It's been sitting in my cart on Go and eBay, and the used pair was like $375. You know what I'm saying? Now, to be able to see it retro again, retail is probably gonna be like $180, $185, I'm pretty sure. And this is supposed to drop July 31st. You feel me? Like I said, shout out to my people at JD Sports for letting me review these things. Let me go ahead, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Come on, man. Come on, man. The gloves, bro. Man, boy, let me tell you, this taking me back, bro. This might put me back on the court. But y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is a must cop for you guys, or if this one of these things, you like, nah, I can pass on these. The GP Gary Payton gloves returning in 2026. First look for you guys. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. All right, since I'm up in here, I might as well show you guys the upcoming, in my opinion, a hype Jordan, the one that y'all looking forward to. Face box right here. This is going to be the adult pair. I'm going to do a detailed review on these, but I just kind of want to show you guys. But we do have these in here also, man. Super clean sneaker. Leather quality is crazy on these. Perfection. These drop July 17th, I think. So, probably like a week and a half from now, you know what I'm saying? So these will be coming soon. So make sure y'all check out the earlier look on the channel for the grade school. And now, like I said, I have an adult review coming soon as well. All right, y'all, so that's a wrap, man. You know what I'm saying? Got to see something early in the store. So make sure y'all get out into stores and see what's popping. But hey, listen, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Happy 4th of July. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the hype button. And y'all know the saying, man. Rappers like numbers hype. Remember, everything we talk about, just bait. With me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth.